Hi people. Today we're gonna do
Trials.
yeah, trials of Zios.
There's really good prizes and there's a really good one.
I know.
Yes.
I know.
Are those the we can do like a story time?
Yeah, weird animal jam stories.
Okay. So, do you want to go first?
Yeah.
Oh, shut up. Okay, you
I'm-
can go first.
Once I was so obsessed with this game that I played it literally after my shower when I was in my bathroom in my towel.
Okay, so here's a...
Why did it
So,
say
if
that?
you open...
Okay.
If y'all
If
didn't
you are brave enough to face the trials of Zios, blah 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 blah
Like,
blah.
there used to
Okay.
be like that.
You got the first button.
There's a
That's
YouTube
number
video.
2. We're talking about the hack that went on. Number
It's
3.
kind of
Okay, another weird Animal Jam story. What have I done? What have I done?
That's
I don't know.
it's literally over here.
Ooh, it's so creepy in here. Where can I find that one last fire pit thing? It won't let me. Okay, there we go. Yeah.
You can do this together.
Okay.
Together.
This is like Among Us. Isn't this like Among Us?
Sort of?
I mean, like, their tasks. This is so
Don't mess up,
hard.
Dora.
This is hard. How do I even do this? Am I even in school? Wait.
Dude,
Oh, this is like I can't do this adventure. I'm too lazy.
dude, that's what you said.
Okay, water.
Dude,
Water.
you don't have
What?
to keep it there.
Okay, this is hard. Why can't I just use that water?
To get all the sunflowers.
I know, but that's hard. I'm so lazy.
It's not really. Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
I love this. That
I need this. Okay, got it.
okay.
Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna do the other one. You can do something else. I'm doing the one that's really hard, so just be happy that you
Why can't I move?
Oh, crap.
Okay.
Penguin.
Whoa.
My
That's
tail is my
cool. Okay, what does this one do? Oh
Oh,
my
I
god,
got
this is
it.
hard. Oh. I need to record this music.
Tiger. Bunny.
No, wait, why? I didn't even mean to. Why? Y'all phantoms better not kill me.
Oh, you're trying to kill
Oh,
me.
hello. Wait, why are the phantoms faster than me? Flag doesn't help. Okay.
Oh, good. I don't have to go past this huckleberry.
Die, phantom. Okay.
Die. Stop.
Okay, let me get this. Bro, you got it. You got it before.
Yeah, that's because I died. I have a thing. Oh my god. I already did that. Or you
I love making you emo.
just click it.
I'm not good at this. Clicking is hard.
I can do it really fast since I play it. Don't click that.
to quit. I'm level 2. I was on level 14 on my spirit account. Okay, we almost got this. No, I'm gonna get it before you. I'm gonna get it before you. No, I'm gonna get it before
you.
Oh.
I don't really.
Why does it feel so good?
Does anyone remember how they felt when they just got a star on their paper, like an A+ or something, like with the smelly sticker or something? Does anyone know how that felt? For me, it was like I got it.
Why is this like going so fast?
Alright. You gonna help me get them gems?
I don't care about the gems. Wait, how do I? Oh my god, this one. Wait, how do I even do this one?
It's easy. You just gotta make them stomp on the. You just gotta make them stomp on the.
These overweight phantoms.
Get that gem over there.
Okay, I'm coming.
Bring it to the stack. I'll take care of the box.
That gem is yellow.
Yeah.
This was one of the like. Oh my god. Am I starting a conspiracy here? Whoa. Where do I put the gem? I love how they move. I love how they move. Oh,
what's up? You can pick up 2 at the same time.
Wait, what am I supposed to do?
You're a distraction. You're supposed to bring
No, I'm not.
With the gold face.
Oh.
And click on it.
Okay. Hang on, I got it. That was hard.
No, it wasn't. I do this like 3 times.
This took like 15 minutes.
More like 5.
I'm so impatient.
Okay, just follow me, okay?
Because I'm impatient. Really impatient. Wait.
Me?
We have to hop on the things, the things of the things that don't eat meat, that are omnivores. Wait, that one?
Wait, what?
What? I didn't mean. Okay, this is the hard part. Horse?
Go to horse, to bunny, to rhino, to koala, to elephant.
Okay.
It's kind of like my favorite.
That was easy. Oh, hi, Lagza.
Hello, Laggy and Sir Gilby.
Wait.
Okay, choose.
What are the prizes, though? I need to look this up. So I guess these are the prizes. Wait. What do I do? I want this one. I believe it's this one. Wait, please be something good. This is a good soundtrack. I'm gonna record this soundtrack real quick. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and subscribe, and subscribe. And lastly, most importantly, subscribe, please. Please.
Yes, she really just wants some subscribers.
Hang on. Bye.